Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install PrimeOS in your computer. Well, it's a very simple process. You have to come over into any of your favorite browser, and here you need to search for PrimeOS, click enter. And then you're going to find out PrimeOS website, click on that. And from here, you can simply get some information about PrimeOS features. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out for PrimeOS 64-bit for Android 11 ISO. If you want to use Android 7, you can simply go for this one to download. And I'm using 64-bit and Android 11 ISO. I'm going to go for these links. I'm going to click on download, get the download link. After click on getting the link, you can see the preparing the download link. After click on the download server, click on the download server again, and then click on download. You can see it's initializing, and it's about 1.55 GB, so it will take 15 minutes. It all depends on your internet speed, so make sure you have a very good internet connection. And as you can see that its download is completed, and now you can simply see the PrimeOS. So the ISO file is downloaded basically. So if you just click on it 2 times to install and minimize the background app, it will going to open with this file. So you're going to click on open. So now you can see I rightly installed the PrimeOS in my computer. And now if you want to know how you can simply set up in your Windows, then comment below. I will make another video to show you how you can simply install it in your computer operating. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.